Let me show you how to connect TikTok ads to Claude for powerful ad performance analysis. I'll grab the MCP server URL from Insightful Pipe. In Claude settings, I'll navigate to connectors and add a custom connector with the TikTok ads MCP URL. With the connector set up, I'll start a new chat and ask Claude for a TikTok ads performance report covering account, campaign, ad group, and ad level results. I'm requesting key metrics like spend, CPM, CTR, CPA, ROAS, and conversions, plus creative performance by format and hook, audience targeting, placements, geography, and budget pacing. Claude is now synthesizing TikTok ad performance metrics. It's orchestrating multi-level API queries to gather campaign, ad group, and ad level data along with audience and geographic insights. Claude has generated the report with clear insights. Spark ads deliver 4.24x ROAS versus standard video. The report includes actionable recommendations, scale UGC and Spark ads budget, pause underperforming carousel ads, and increase search placement investment. Expected impact, 15-20% ROAS improvement and over $4,000 in monthly waste reduction.